Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look for plants in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app. Here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just tap on the search icon. And here at the top in the search bar, we can start looking for plants. We can search plants by name, and yeah, after, for example, if we find one, we can look at what it needs and how we have to care for it, and then we can look at plant requirements, common problems, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.